Hello everyone, welcome to SaliqaMag. Today's tutorial about how to make a dress with the help of a t-shirt without any pattern. So I have this 47 by 47 inch fabric that I just fold it in a triangle, and now the close side of the fabric is towards me, and I just place here my t-shirt. This t-shirt is for a 6 to 7 year old girl, but by using this method you can make any size. So I just here trace first the shoulder, then the armhole, and now I'm just marking here the chest line. After that I just give here the shape and then the side lines. Now it's time to mark your neckline. Here I mark it 2.5 inches, and now this is the shoulder line. After all these marking you have to leave the seam allowances, but before that, for the length from the corner of the fabric till here I just mark this is 30 inches. So now I will move my measuring tape by putting it on the corner or on the fabric, and then by keep moving I will just mark this shape. So now it's time to cut our dress, and after that I will show you how you can make a neckline. So if you are first time here, please press the bell icon, and so that every time I will upload a video you will get a notification. So now I just trace my neckline. After that 1 inch all the way I will mark and cut. So same way I will do for the back neckline. I'm making here neckline same width and depth for the back and front. So now just stitch this with my neckline, this piece, and after that just cut extra and mark here small cuts, so when you will fold it, it will be easy in the turning. So after folding make sure you press it here properly, so that when you will stitch your stitch will be neat. Guys, if you want to learn the pattern making, you can check in my playlist. So I just take this piece that is left over after cutting, this is for the sleeve, and I just fold it again in the triangle and just measure your length, and here the 2 inches, this is the inner seam of our sleeve, and then just cut it the shape. So if anything is extra we will give it gathering. I will show you how you can do that. So first step is, see here you can give gathering, and here just fold the hemline. Now it's time to place the elastic. Measure your elastic according to your arm, and then just mark here, and now it's time to stitch. While stitching, just keep stretching your elastic so it will fit according to your sleeve. Now it's time to stitch the front with the back, and just stitch the shoulder lines with the margin of 1 inch, and now just open it something like this way, and now it's time to attach the sleeves. Guys, if this tutorial is helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button. It will really help me to grow on YouTube. So here just stitch all with this shape, and then after that I will show you how you can stitch this fitting line. It's time to stitch the fitting lines. As you guys can see, this is a very easy tutorial for your girls. You can make a very easy dress for your girls, and the waist is very loose here, so this is best for summer. But at the end I will show you how you can make a belt. See, this is now I'm making here a belt, so that if you want a fitted waist you can attach belt here. So this belt you can take as double of your waist at least, and the width is totally depend what design you want. Here I just take here almost 2.5 inches. Now this is the opening, you can stitch all the way again. And guys, this is the final look. Hope you like this easy tutorial without any pattern. Thank you for watching.